NordVPN versus CyberGhost VPN, best premium features versus best for frequent travelers. This comparison is crucial for those looking for the perfect VPN for their needs. Whether you're interested in top-tier premium features or something that can keep up with frequent travel demands, both of these options bring solid offerings to the table. Stick around, because by the end, I'll be recommending an alternative that you might not have considered but is worth looking into, especially if you're after a combination of performance and versatility. First, let's start with NordVPN, known for its exceptional premium features. One of the standout qualities of NordVPN is its huge server network. It offers more than 5,000 servers across 60-plus countries, which makes it an excellent choice if you're looking for strong global coverage. This large network also helps reduce server congestion, giving you faster speeds and more reliable connections. The second thing to consider with NordVPN is its advanced security features. NordVPN uses AES, 256 encryption, which is the gold standard in online privacy. It also offers a double VPN feature that routes your traffic through 2 separate servers for extra protection, making it perfect for those who prioritize security over everything else. In addition, they have a kill switch that prevents data leaks in case of a sudden connection drop. Now, let's talk about CyberGhost VPN. This service is particularly aimed at those who are frequent travelers. One of the things I really like about CyberGhost is how user-friendly it is, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. The app is intuitive and easy to set up, so you can get it running in just a couple of minutes. Whether you're traveling through Asia or Europe, it's one of the easiest VPNs to set up and use. The next thing is CyberGhost's focus on geo-unblocking and streaming. While NordVPN is great for streaming too, CyberGhost has specialized servers for this. It has servers optimized for popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. If you're a frequent traveler who wants to access your favorite content from home, CyberGhost is designed to make this happen with minimal hassle. Now, let's talk about the connection speeds. Both NordVPN and CyberGhost offer fast speeds, but NordVPN generally pulls ahead in this department, particularly with its NordLynx protocol. This proprietary protocol allows for blazing fast connections without sacrificing security, which is crucial when you need reliable access on the go. The fourth thing to consider is privacy. NordVPN has a solid no-logs policy and is based in Panama, which is a privacy-friendly jurisdiction. CyberGhost also boasts a no-logs policy, but it is based in Romania, which, while privacy-friendly, is slightly less robust than Panama in terms of international privacy laws. When it comes to customer support, both VPNs offer 24/7 support. However, NordVPN has a slight edge here with its live chat support, which is faster and more responsive in comparison to CyberGhost's email support. That said, CyberGhost does provide a solid FAQ section and helpful guides for troubleshooting, which should cover most issues. Next thing, pricing. CyberGhost tends to be more affordable, especially if you're looking for long-term plans, but you get what you pay for. NordVPN, while pricier, justifies the cost with its higher-tier features and performance. If budget is a concern, CyberGhost could be a better fit, but if you're willing to invest a little more for a premium experience, NordVPN is the clear winner in terms of features. Finally, both VPNs come with a 45-day money-back guarantee, but here's the thing. If you want the best of both worlds, NordVPN's features might take the lead in overall performance and security. However, if you're a frequent traveler who values ease of use and streaming, CyberGhost offers a strong alternative. So, while both NordVPN and CyberGhost VPN have their merits, after trying all of them myself, I have to say, there's a better alternative out there for people who want the best premium features combined with the flexibility needed for frequent travel. If that sounds like you, make sure to check the first link in the description for a special free trial with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Both of these VPNs are solid choices, but the option in that link will give you more value for the same cost and maybe even more.